Hi friends, this video shows how to exit from safe mode. You can see right now I am in safe mode. It says connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PS5 button. So we need a USB cable like this, type C cable. Connect one end of that cable to the PS5 controller, then connect other end to PS5 console like this. Then press PS5 button on the controller. Then we get this screen. Here you can see it shows only two options, 3 and 7. All other options are disabled. I will show you how to enable all 7 options and then exit from this safe mode. Power off PS5, then unplug and plug the power cable, then power on. It will again go to safe mode. You have to press PS5 button on the controller, then you will get all 7 options enabled like this. Here we have to select restore default settings, then select yes. Okay, done. Then we need to press PS5 button on the controller. Then here we have to select language, then connect to Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password, connect, then select OK, then select low power use, then select the username, done. So this way we can fix that issue and exit from the safe mode. I hope you have enjoyed this video.